In this tutorial, learn how to navigate our new online member community and take advantage of the exclusive resources available to you. Start by logging in. Go to community.wocn.org. Click Login on the top right-hand corner and use your member portal username and password to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a few tabs across the top: Membership Directory, Communities, Membership Profile, Professional Development, and Learning Center. In this tutorial, we will focus on the Communities tab, which includes My Communities, All Communities, and Community FAQs. Click on All Communities to see the various community boards you can participate in. Scroll down to the WOCN community. Here you can join the thread and see the number of discussion threads, members, and libraries that exist within it. Click into the WOCN community to see the latest discussion threads and announcements. Participate in a thread by clicking on the title of one that interests you. Click Reply or use the options from the drop-down menu. You can customize your settings for receiving replies by clicking on Settings a little higher up on the page. To find other discussions, click Threads. You can sort by all thread types, most recently updated, 10 per page, or you can start a discussion of your own by choosing Start New Thread. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and will engage with our community discussion boards. For questions, contact info@wocn.org.